My question is, have y'all been to space?
Have you seen the prices of eggs, Miss Gail King? Us plebs have different priorities. On some days, I can't even make a fucking omelet. So no. But while you were doing that, we got ourselves 3 chickens. So let's meet the girls. Everybody, this is Zip. Mike named her Zip because when we were getting her, she was literally having the zoomies. I would say she's the most adventurous out of the 3. And she loves getting scratches under her neck. Now the grey one's named Nugget. She's really shy, so she will dodge you and stay away. But once you pick her up, she melts into your hands. Now the black one is Madam Bok. True to her name, she's super regal, royalty basically. But I can tell she secretly likes a lot of cuddles. Priorities. I need my eggs.